Hi guys, just going to try the replacement EvoDX action camera. Just bought this off eBay. Although I bought it off eBay, it came from 7 Day Shop, which is where I bought the original ones. But their eBay store was selling them off end of range for £19.99, so about half what I originally paid for it. And being as I just had a refund for the original one at £36.99, I thought buying this at £19.99 was a bargain. The only thing is, I did an unboxing last night, and looking at it today, I think it's missing the little mounting bracket that I've got it in here. This is from one of my other cameras. And it's also missing one of the batteries. It should have 2 batteries and it's only got 1. What we're going to do is, this is the controller and the charger for my little micro helicopter, and that usually takes me several flights to get the hang of, because I only fly it when we go on holiday and stop in hotel rooms like this where we got a bit of space to fly it. So, hat camera on. I think we're a bit low on power, but I think we'll be able to fly it if we can get it off the window ledge. All I want to do is fly it round and see if we can land over here. Missed it. Try again. It's one of those ones that doesn't hover, so you have to do it all in one go. Oh, nearly perfect. Just tap the wall on landing. Okay, see if we can take off and land again. No. Needed a bit more power to take off. Trouble is, you give it too much and it shoots up and hits the ceiling. But it is a good test of the hat camera to see whether it's in focus. Whoa. That's better. Nice neat landing. I love this little helicopter. It's the best one I've flown, I think, for controllability. I don't remember how much it cost me. It's another charity shop find. There we are, £1.99 it cost me. Don't know if the camera's looking in the right direction. Don't know if they're still available. QingSong, China. I mean, I've had this for a few years now. I don't think I've ever put fresh batteries in it. I think it's still using the batteries that were in it when I bought it in the charity shop. I'll just push me luck and see if we can have one more flight with it. What's the chances of landing it in the windowsill? None, I would think. Ooh, missed it. Close. Not a perfect landing, but we got there. So that'll do for today. We'll find out whether the action camera actually worked. I've only got a 16 gig memory card in there. I usually have a 32 gig, I think. So it should do. We'll see. So take my wind protector off. Still flashing red light on the top. Press that. That stops. That's right. I was just trying to show you the back of the camera, but obviously that doesn't help when I turn it round.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.